Everyone, and thanks again for checking in to WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Hopefully July has been good to you so far. Looks like today we're going to have a fairly limited severe weather threat across much of the nation. Yes, there will be some pockets of strong to severe storms. Better chance in parts of the Northeast, including our friends in D.C. and eastern portions of Pennsylvania. We'll talk about that. Talk about heavy pockets of rain over the next 3 to 5 days, which may lead to a little bit of flooding. But the central U.S. will see heat building over the next several days and certainly by this weekend. So for today, and a slight risk as issued by the Storm Prediction Center from D.C. to Philly, the eastern half of Pennsylvania, some gusty winds, maybe some hail into the afternoon with heavy pockets of rain there, and maybe a few strong storms in parts of the southwestern U.S. And that little boundary, little impulse of energy begins to lift a little farther northeast. So by Saturday on the northern periphery, some of this very warm and humid air be setting up in the Midwest. So marginal risk, and also across the Gulf Coast states. From Mississippi down to the Florida Panhandle, some stronger storms. But today, really kind of watching this particular zone from the northeast through the Ohio Valley and then down into West Texas and eastern portions of Colorado and New Mexico. So within that area, there will be some stronger thunderstorms, kind of hit or miss. But as we head into Saturday and Sunday, what's going to happen is that these upper-level winds are going to start to bubble north as high pressure develops here in the south-central U.S. So what happens typically at this time of the year when you have that big bubble of warm air in the southern U.S. is you get heavy rain and thunder on the northern periphery of that. So we're starting to see that kind of develop with heavier rainfall from West Texas and parts of the Ohio Valley and mid-Atlantic states. And it's a little bit more noticeable here as we get into, say, the end of this loop. You can see this really mild air starting to stream north, and that'll be in place over the central U.S. more so by Saturday and Sunday. In the meantime, still a little bit cooler around the Great Lakes, 70 in Chicago, but 91 in D.C.